Good afternoon, everybody. Today I will take the class MA in Political Science, first semester, course type and code. Course type is core and course code is 102. Course title Constitutional Process in India. And my topic is Indian Federalism, Major Debates. India is a federalism or not? This is my actual topic. Now, before going to discuss federalism, I will have to teach you first one, what is the objectives. Objectives here, what is federalism? Number one. Number two, the difference between federalism and unitary form of government. And number three, what are the key features of federalism and what are the types of federalism? What makes India a federalism or not? This is the main topic. Now, federalism meaning what? There are two types of government, that is these two types of government power is shared between central and state government. Both the governments have a equal power and both the governments are sovereign in power. No one government interfere each and others. Number two, we know what are the key features of federalism. Federalism features is number one, two or more governments, central government mainly and then state government. Both governments are equal and each tier has, number two, each tier has, I think, their own jurisdiction, executive, legislative and judiciary, and this is a horizontal distribution of power. Number three, all the jurisdiction, that is the government has a jurisdiction irrespective of three levels of government or decentralization of power or vertical distribution of power. That is central government, total country basis, and then union of states government and union of territories, then local self-government. Number four, amendment of the constitution. Both the state and central government, they have equal power to amend any constitution. Number five, the free, independent and impartial judiciary. Judiciary is all in all, the last, and they interpret the constitution. The judicial department interpret the constitution, checks and balance between, I think, legislative and executive, and last they make a decision, even judicial activities and also judicial review power they enjoy. Then sources of revenue, each of the level government, central and state, ensure its financial autonomy. And last one is dual objectives. That is, total central government maintain the all countries, international peace and security and foreigner attack, and simultaneously inside, if any states, both the states or other states, any disturbance happen, that will be fully controlled by central government. This is the dual objectives. Now we will have to discuss what are the types of federalism. Federalisms are two types. One is coming together federalism, another is a holding together federalism. Coming together federalism is all the independent states, they come and join together and make a large union of or larger unit. This is called coming together federalism. And coming together federalism, both the central and state government enjoy the equal power. That is example, coming together example is USA, Australia, Switzerland, like this. Then holding together federalism. Holding together federalism is, holding together federalism, a country divides to divide its power between the constituent states and the national government. In this kind federation, the central government enjoy the more power rather than the state government. For example, India, Spain and Belgium. This is a holding together federation. Now we will have to tell what makes India federalism. India is federalism or not. India federalism or not, because India is a federalism. First one is India article number 1, that is India, that is called Bharat, and shall be a union of states. Shall be a union of states. India has 2 or more tier system, that is decentralization of power or vertical distribution of power. Union or central government, union of states, and union of territories government. And last one is local self government. Local self government also urban and rural. Urban is 3 types: municipal corporation, municipality and nagar panchayat. Rural also 3 types, that is Jilla Parishad, Panchayat Samiti and village panchayat. So this is a decentralization of power. One is the most important feature of India makes a federalism. Number 2, enjoy a separate jurisdiction, executive, legislative and judiciary. Number 3, distribution of power, legislative power between central and state government. Number 1, union list, state list, concurrent list and residuary power. Union list also 97 list, state list 66, concurrent list 47, residuary power means union list, state list and concurrent list, rest of the power enjoyed by the central government. This is called residuary power. And India is following a holding together federation. And special provision exists for some other states, suppose Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram and Himachal Pradesh, more are there also. And some union territories enjoy the less power, suppose Chandigarh, Delhi and Lakshmadweep. And in the simultaneously we know amendment of the constitution, that is central government has a supremacy power rather than the state government. And free, independent, impartial judiciary, here India is a representative, but it is an integrated and unified judiciary, because the state government has a high court, but whenever high court declare the last judgment, again you can go to the Supreme Court. So Supreme Court is all in all. Then both the level of government ensure its financial autonomy, levying and taxes. And last one we can tell, the India follow, that is a strong federalism or strong unitary features. I think India is called quasi-federalism, that is called Casey Hoyer. And also Maurice Jones told India is a bargaining federalism. And Ivor Jennings told federation with strong centralization of tendency. But why? Because India is called Union of States, not United of States. India has no any secede power. India equal sovereignty is absent. Central government have, but the state government does not have. Then coming together is not available. India is a holding together. Double citizenship in India is not there. And separation of power, it is written in our constitution, but practically it is not implemented. Fully separation of power like America. And judiciary, high court is there, but the last court is the Supreme Court. So all these pairs, even emergency, during emergency time, our budget, our plan, our amendment, our administrative, legislative and judiciary, in all kind of respect, central enjoy the more power rather than the state government. So for this reason, India is called quasi-federalism, or it is a bargaining federalism, or it is called federation with strong centralizing tendency. So many thanks, and plus those who are participate here.